An ABC adventure from A to Z. Letters, sounds, and lots of fun. Let's start now. 3, 2, 1. A is for apple, A is for apple, juicy and red. Crunch it up and off to bed. B is for bear, B is for bear, big and strong, hugs so tight all day long. C is for car, C is for car, zooming fast, beep beep, watch it blast. D is for duck, D is for duck, it waddles near, quack quack, we all can hear. E is for egg, E is for egg, so smooth and white, crack it open, what a sight. F is for frog, F is for frog, jump and hop, ribbit, ribbit, never stop. G is for giraffe, G is for giraffe, tall and sweet, spots on its body and long, long feet. H is for helicopter, H is for helicopter, spin